Good morning, dear students. In yesterday's class, we went through the possessive pronoun and interrogative pronoun. As well as I told you, there are chapter adjectives. Okay, there is a chapter adjectives. In that, we will learn about the possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Okay, so same thing we'll learn interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun stands in the place of noun, and interrogative adjective, they describe a noun in a sentence. Today we continue with the chapter 5, and today's topic is reflexive pronoun. So words such as itself, myself, yourself and ourselves, okay, these are the four words are the objects of the verb. Okay, itself, myself, yourself and ourselves are the object of the verb in the sentence. But they refer to the same person as the subject does. So, reflexive pronoun in a sentence, a subject and object reflects both upon itself. Okay, both show the belongings to each other. Subject does. The self forms of the personal pronouns are called reflexive pronoun. Here the example is there. The cat fell from a tree and hurt itself. Now cat is comes under third person singular it. Okay, it comes in animals, vegetables and things comes under third person singular it. Now here is a cat is taken. So which is the subject in a sentence? Cat. Okay, cat is a subject in a sentence. Okay, so the cat fell from a tree. Who fell from a tree? So cat fell from a tree and hurt. Whom did it hurt? Itself. So this is the object of the sentence and this is the subject of the sentence. Both reflects. This both reflects upon each other. Okay, what the subjects have done, it reflects upon each other. Okay, so let's practice and learn the more and know about the reflexive pronoun through the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate reflexive pronouns. She cares only for dash and not for others. Now others, so many others. Now she is a third person singular. Okay, she is a third person singular and herself is a reflexive pronoun. So herself is a reflexive pronoun. So herself will come on. She cares only for herself. So subject, see, subject and object both refers upon to each other. So she cares only for herself and not for others. The boys are always quarreling among. Now boys, so many boys are there. Okay, so this will be a third person plural. So then here it will come themselves. Okay, the boys are quarreling among themselves. An automatic computer works by. Now computer is a neuter gender, non-living things. So naturally we use third person singular it. So here it will come itself. Okay, an automatic computer works by itself. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please help dash to the food, said the host to her guests. Ladies and gentlemen, now they have to take the food by themselves. So what will come? Yourself. Okay, yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, please help yourself to the food, said the host to her guest. Ali, please write. Now Ali is a singular person here and Ali is a boy. So Ali, please dry yourself immediately. Yourself immediately, otherwise you will catch a cold, because here you is there, we have used yourself. We dash are to be blamed for this trouble. We ourselves. Okay, we ourselves are blamed for this trouble. Okay, ourselves. They found their way to the college. They became themselves. They became themselves. Tanya made her dinner all by herself. Okay, the rat looked at rat itself. Okay, in the mirror. We made sick by eating too much at the picnic. We made ourselves sick. Okay, so this is the exercise of reflexive pronoun. Let's revise. She cares only for herself and not for others. The boys are always quarreling among themselves. An automatic computer works by itself. Ladies and gentlemen, please help yourself to the food, said the host to her guest. Ali, please dry yourself immediately, otherwise you will catch a cold. We ourselves are to be blamed for this trouble. They found their way to the college themselves. Tanya made her dinner all by herself. The rat looked at itself in the mirror. We made ourselves sick by eating too much at the picnic. So dear, this is the exercise and definition of about the reflexive pronoun. Go through it, read from the textbook, write down the exercise in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Have a good day and thank you to all.